Hey guys, so today I'm trying to make slime. In the background there's some music from video my sister and I are watching on TV. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab a little tiny bowl. I have a tiny bowl, so if my slime doesn't work out, which I think it won't, well, so we have this tiny bowl in case it doesn't work out. So, this tiny bowl will work out very well. So, first you're going to need to grab is your glue. You gotta keep that there and wait until it comes out. I thought I just 12 days later. Finally! The slime masterpiece. So, first step is getting all this glue in here. If your glue won't come out, just put a tiny bit of water in there. Mix it around. Wait until it gets loose and see, look. See that slime? That slime, that glue. See, it's getting looser. So let's try that again. Or just fill up the whole thing and shake it. Crud. No. This is old glue. So it's really stuck in there. Okay, so we already got the water in there. Now you want to mix it. Yeah, if you haven't already put some water in it, put that in there, and then you want to grab your spoon and mix it. Don't want to mix it with your fingers, which I was already doing. And I have this big bowl just in case it breaks out and you want to make more. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh. So nice. And then you want to grab your lotion. Open it. Just put it in there. Wait until she comes down. My lotion's yellow, so this might turn out looking green. Hope not. Because my slime, my glitter glue is blue. My lotion is blue. Oh, and it's getting a pretty cloudy color. With glitter in it. See, you can't see it on the camera, but I can see it. It's really pretty. keep mixing it. And if it's not working well, a tiny bit more. Grab your eye contact solution. Rinse it in there. About 2 seconds. That's like you almost puts it in there. Now, keep mixing. My sister. And then I'll turn out. And then it'll get very liquidy. It'll be very liquidy and I just woke up, so that's why I'm not crazy. Now, I'm just making this stuff up. It's gonna work, I know it, because I saw it on the YouTube channel. Slime, water, eye contact solution. And I don't know what's wrong with them. They put baking soda in it. I never use any baking soda for my slime. Cuckoo. About to fill up a whole spoon and then drop it in there. And then they just started mixing it. Don't know. And I actually watched a YouTube video. It's actually working out really well. Oh, it's working out well. Now, if it's starting to work out really well, you want to take your finger and start taking it out. Look at that. It's really sticky. It's really sticky. Sticky. So sticky. You want to keep playing with it? Holy crap. It's so nice. It feels so nice. My sister. I might try this same slime if you guys want to try it at home. You can. If you want to make some clear slime out of this, check out my next video. Oh my god. I actually want more of this. This feels so relaxing. I might make some more because I have another full jug. Let's fill that one up. Stay tuned to my next video. Bye!